Here we will study another topic, adjoint of a matrix. What is adjoint of a matrix? Adjoint of a matrix is very important, which is used to find out the inverse of a matrix. So first of all, we will define this adjoint. Adjoint of a square matrix. Matrix should be square. A is equal to Aij. Aij is a general element of order n. Is defined as A is a matrix whose element are Aij and order is n by n. Is defined as the transpose of cofactor matrix Cij. This is cofactor matrix of order n by n, where Cij is a cofactor of Aij, and adjoint of matrix A is denoted by, it is denoted by ADJA. We denote like this, and in brief we can write adjoint of A is equal to transpose of cofactor matrix of A. So we can also remember the adjoint of A is we will find that cofactor matrix and then take the transpose of the matrix. We will understand this with the help of one example. We will understand the adjoint of a matrix with the help of this example. Suppose we will taking a 2 by 2 matrix whose elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. First of all, we will find the minors. M11. M1 means minor of element 1, which is we delete first row and first column, and after deleting we get 4. Therefore, cofactor will be minus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 1 into M11. Therefore, cofactor will be, this value is positive, so value is again 4. M12, minor of element first row, second column. So minor of 2 is, delete this, we get 3. Therefore, C21 will be minus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 2 into M12. The value is 3 and this value is minus 1. Minus 3. Cofactor of 2 will be minus 3. M21. M2 minor of, M21 is the minor of 3. This element 3. So delete this and we get 2. Therefore, C21 is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 2 plus 1 into M21. M21 is 2 and power is this value is minus 1, so minus 2. Now the last element is 4, which lies in second row, second column. Minor of 4 is, we delete this and get 1. Therefore, C22 is equal to minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 2 into M22, which is equal to, this value is plus 1 and again get 1. Therefore, cofactor matrix What is cofactor matrix here? Very simple. 4 minus 3. We write is cofactor in place of the element. If 1, the cofactor is 4. 2, the cofactor is minus 3. 3, the cofactor is minus 3. And the cofactor of 4 is 1. Now we will take the transpose, which is a adjoint of the matrix A. And transpose is obtained by interchanging rows into column. This is first row, we get minus first column, and we write the second row in the second column. So this 4 here minus 2 and first row this, so this will be minus 2. So this is the adjoint of matrix A. If the matrix is of order 3 by 3, so we first of all find out the cofactors of all the elements and then write the cofactor matrix and then take the transpose of the matrix. So these are the 3 steps we should remember. We find out the cofactors, write the cofactor matrix and then take the transpose by interchanging, and transpose of a matrix is obtained by interchanging rows into columns. So this is the adjoint of a matrix.